Hey YouTube, my name is Bella. I'm Liz's daughter and I'm gonna make her a gluten-free dinner. Tonight I'm gonna make my mom gluten-free pizza. It's actually gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and nut-free, and we got it at Whole's Food. Turn on the oven at 375. Then you gotta take the pizza crust out the freezer and let it thaw for a little bit. Spread some tomato sauce or pizza sauce on it, as I'm doing here. I sprinkled it with some garlic powder and oregano to give it some Italian flavor. My mom is so weird, she likes ham on her pizza. Now what I'm doing is just putting some pieces of ham. Well, first I put the cheese on, a little bit of cheese, and then I'll put more cheese when I'm done so that the ham could stick to the pizza crust. Add more cheese on top of it. Oh yes, I love my pizzas cheesy. Okay, I just sprinkled a little bit more oregano on top of it and I'm ready to put it in the oven. Okay, now I'm gonna bake it for 10 minutes because my mom likes it really crunchy and well done. The pizza finished in 9 minutes. Okay, and there you have it, gluten-free pizza. I'm going to surprise my mom because she wasn't feeling that good today. And she said she wanted some pizza, but she still doesn't know that we made this, so there you have it. And this was Beta Day 2.
How do you like your dinner, Mom?
Beautiful. I'm about to eat it.